Now we will understand demand with little more detail. For that, we will start with law of demand. Law of demand says that other things being constant, there is a Latin terminology which we use it for it called as ceteris paribus. It's a Latin word which again means other things being constant. Which are those other things which we need to assume it to be constant? That you will understand little while later. Let us not worry about it as if now. So other things being constant, the price of a commodity and quantity demanded are inversely related. What exactly we mean by this? It means that if the price of a commodity increases, demand for it decreases, and if the price of a commodity decreases, demand increases. This is what exactly law of demand says. This relationship between price and demand could be analyzed from three different dimensions. First one, the relationship between price and demand could be represented in the form of an equation, and as earlier also told, that equation which explains us the relationship between price and demand, we call it as demand function. And how do we write demand function? We write demand function as D is a function of P. As earlier also been told, whenever in an equation the variable which is written on the left hand side will be called as dependent variable. Here demand is dependent variable and P stands for price. Price happens to be independent variable. Meaning here demand is changing because of changes in price. That is the reason demand is dependent on price. So this is one way of representing the relationship between price and demand.